Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session we have discussed about consistent system and inconsistent system. In this session we shall discuss the problems on consistent system and inconsistent system. Examine the consistency of the system of equations. First problem, x plus 2y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Solution. The given system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B, where A equals coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 2, in the next row coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3, and x equals, so here it is two variables x, y, and b equals constants 2, 3. Let us find the value of the determinant A. So determinant A is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 2, 3. So that will be equal to 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into 2, 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse definitely exists. That means a solution will definitely exist. Therefore, the given system of equations is consistent. Hence, the solution exists. Therefore, the given system of equations are consistent. X plus 3y is equal to 5, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. The given system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B. Let A equals, so A will be the matrix of coefficients of x and y in order. So coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 6, and x is the matrix of unknown variables, that is x, y, and b equals the constants 5, 8. Let us find the determinant of the given matrix. So determinant of 1, 3, 2, 6. So 1 into 6, 6 minus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to 0. Since determinant of A is equal to 0, A is a singular matrix. Nothing can be said consistency nothing can be said about consistency, yet we have to calculate adjoint A into B. Since it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, adjoint A can be directly calculated. So interchange the principal diagonal elements 6, 1 and change the sign of the other diagonal -3, -2. So adjoint A into B is equal to 6 -3 -2 1 into B. B is 5, 8. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix. First matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix and the second matrix is the 2 cross 1 matrix. So first matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix and the second matrix is 2 cross 1 matrix and the product matrix will be of 2 into 1. That means it is having 2 rows and 1 column. So let us find the product of these two matrices, that is row into column. 6 into 5, 30 plus -3 into 8, -24, -2 into 5, -10 plus 1 into 8, 8. So that will be equal to 30 minus 24, 6, -10 plus 8 is -2, which is not a null matrix. Thus, the system of equations does not have solutions, hence the system of equations are inconsistent. Five x minus y plus 4z equals 5. 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals 2. 5x minus 2y plus 6z equals minus 1. The given system of equations can be written as Ax equals B, where A equals the coefficients of x, y and z in the given equations. So, coefficient of x is 5 and the coefficient of y is minus 1 and the coefficient of z is 4. Coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y 3, the coefficient of z is 5. Coefficient of x is 5, coefficient of y is minus 2 and coefficient of z is 6. So, x equals the unknown variables. Here there are 3 variables x, y, z, and B is the matrix of constants, that is 5, 2, minus 1. 5, 2, minus 1. Let us calculate the determinant of the given matrix. So, determinant of A is equal to determinant of 5, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 5, minus 2, 6. So, expanding along R1. So, determinant of A is equal to 5 into, so 5 lies in the first row and first column, and eliminate the first row and first column and take the determinant of the remaining elements, that is 3, 5, minus 2, 6, minus, next element is minus 1. So, minus 1 lies in the first row, second column. Eliminate the first row and second column and take the determinant of the remaining elements, that is 2, 5, 5, 6. Next, plus 4 into determinant of, so 4 lies in the first row and third column. Eliminate the first row and third column and take the determinant of the remaining elements, 2, 3, 5, minus 2. So, determinant A is equal to 5 into 3 6 are 18 minus 5 into minus 2 minus 10. So, minus into minus plus, so 1 into 2 into 6 12 minus 5 into 5 25 plus 4 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 into 3 15. So, determinant of A is equal to 5 into minus plus 18 plus 10 28 plus 1 into 12 minus 25 minus 13 plus 4 into minus 19. So, determinant of A is equal to 28 into 5 140 minus 13 plus into minus minus 4 into 19 76. So, determinant of A is equal to 140 minus 13 minus 76 51. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0, A is non-singular matrix A inverse exists So A inverse exists means definitely solution exists. Therefore, the given system of equations are consistent. Okay, thank you.